I ain't got the angle on it. Like here, no, look, we're in there.
No, wait.
You're in the end.
Wait, mate. Wait, mate. Back building, mate. He's dead. He's dead.
Two.
Oh, I hit one of them.
One, far out. He's moving around to our spawn.
Dad, watch out, Dad. Dad, right, look, over there, by that building. Dad, come here, Dad. You can probably take him out easily. Oh, he's behind that building there. Is it? Did I hit him? No, I don't. I'm pretty sure I didn't.
You can get him through that angle. Can you go through that little window?
What, there? Yeah. Nah, that's really awkward. You can't aim through the side. Hang on, I see something. Where do you want to move up to?
Just stay here for a minute.
Just stay here.
I want to push up in the building, it's a bit harder for me. Someone behind us, red's behind mine. On his build, on the. Watch out to your rear! Lads, watch out to your rear as well, mine, because they're swinging around the back of us. I'm going to head up towards Zulu. Yeah. That's where he just come from, mate, and took them all out. They're just there. Up there.
Oi. Yeah. Just there.
Sorry, go.
Is he gone?
Straight down!
Got one of them, there's still more there, I think.
Yeah, it's still there.
Hit! In.
Yeah.
Watch over that!
Over
that way!
Wait, I'm not sure if that hit. Get ready. Come on, look, just pop over. Oh yeah, his mate's still there. That's me. I got hit.
Look for there.
Keep eyes on it, alright? Just so no medic can. If someone's medic can tell me.
Walking back.
Alright. Movement, top here, quite far away.